Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start staking Cardano with Binance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Create a Binance account if you don't have one yet. Go to the Binance website or download the Binance app. Click on the register button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Complete the identity verification process as required. Deposit Cardano, ADA, into your Binance wallet. Navigate to the wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. Search for Cardano and click on Deposit. Follow the Once the ADA is in your wallet, go to the Earn section. Select Staking from the drop-down menu. Browse the available staking options for Cardano. Click on Cardano and read the terms and conditions. Choose the amount of Cardano you wish to stake. Select the staking period, if applicable. Confirm your staking details before proceeding. Click the Stake button to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation that your Cardano is now staked. Monitor your staked assets and rewards from the Earn dashboard. Withdraw or unstake your ADA at any time if desired. Ensure you understand the staking rewards and any potential risks involved. Stay informed about the performance of your staked assets. Enjoy the benefits of staking Cardano with Binance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.